New at 5, as you know, school is back in session for many, and as the school year gets going, districts are working to make sure that kids are actually showing up to class.
District leaders tell us chronic absenteeism has been a problem for years and has gotten worse since the pandemic. Megan Hartnett looked into what school districts are doing to motivate kids to come to class. Megan.
Kaylee, Jeff, according to the Ohio Department of Education, 27.1% of all students in Lucas County were chronically absent in 2023. Local school districts have started offering incentives to get kids to come as many days as possible. Kids go to school to learn, but what if children got rewarded for attending, like with a drone? Drones are just one incentive TPS is offering for kids who show improved attendance.
We purchased drones, and that's something the students really love. Earbuds, whatever's going to interest them and engage them and get them to come back to school. That's what we want.
TPS also has a partnership with the Toledo Mud Hens and Walleye this year for tickets and other incentives. Washington local schools also offer students incentives for good and improved attendance, not just perfect. But incentives are just one part of the bigger picture in finding a solution. Chronic absenteeism in Ohio is defined as missing 10% or more of the school year, which equates to 16 to 18 days of school.
You miss learning, but then also you start to stress and you feel stressed because of being behind, and we've all been behind in different things, and we know what that equates to.
Chronic absenteeism can stem from transportation issues, health issues, or even homelessness. That's why TPS and Washington local schools have support programs created to help students and their families.
They ask, how can we help? They are not truancy officers. They are people from the community that want to engage with the families to remove those barriers to attendance.
Chronic absenteeism was a problem before, but the pandemic caused numbers to increase. School districts are now starting to see a decrease in absenteeism rates, but there's still work to be done.
How can we help? And that's what we want to do. We want to help.
Washington Local Schools says one change this school year is the support programs that connect with families and students will be stepping in earlier, focusing on being proactive rather than reactive. Reporting in studio, Megan Hartnett, WTOL 11.